How to get $90 Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Temu coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Temu. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 75% off, $25 off, 30% off, and many more. You can head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. You can copy the code, then click on Redeem at Temu. Make sure to check expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Once you land to the Temu website, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. You can also try out other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Temu. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website, and in this website as well you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to $90 working coupon code for Temu. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.